What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shabon, and as y'all can see by the title of this video, y'all already know what I'm about to do to your boy, okay? Because he pranked me in that shower, and that was not right, because I was enjoying my little shower before he came in and interrupted me. So I'm gonna get him back today. So right now Javon is in the car, and I need to hurry up and do this intro because he's waiting for me. So right now, y'all see my ponytail, y'all? My hair is growing. Look, honey, it's growing. Okay, yeah, but anyways, guys, right now we're going to give me some food, because as y'all can see, he got him some food already. So I'm going to go get me some food, and on our way there, I'm basically going to prank him. I'm going to tell him to eat my booty. I'm going to tell Javon to eat my booty. Now guys, y'all know I am against that, because I think that is nasty, but for the people who does it, to each his own. But for me, it's a no, sis, and for Javon, definitely a no. So I know I'm gonna get a good reaction. I hope his accent comes out really strong, because that cracks me up every time, because I understand some stuff he be saying, but not everything. But yeah, so let me get my stuff so I can go and meet him in the car right now. He has no idea that this is a prank. He has no idea. I'm going to bring the camera. Oh, sorry about the light, y'all. So I'm gonna bring the camera, and I'm gonna act like we're gonna vlog or whatever, but we're just really going down the street so I can give me some food, really, so we can start our day. And yeah, guys, so stay tuned for this prank I'm about to pull on your boy. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for this prank, because it's gonna be funny, y'all. I gotta keep a straight face because y'all know he cracks me up every time. But yeah, guys, let's get to the car right now.
Alright, enough. What going on, BB gang?
What's good, BB
What's
gang?
good, BB gang? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shabon.
Yeah, Javon and Shabon.
I don't put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, safety is key.
Because he drives like a maniac, y'all.
Wait, what's up, BB gang? It's your boy Javon. It's your girl Shabon, man. As you guys see by the time and time, we come to you guys with a little floggy. We haven't did a vlog in a while, so I don't know what today we're gonna do. We're gonna get some food first, and then yeah, we're just gonna go with the day. You know what I'm saying? We don't know what we're gonna do yet, so make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe if you guys are new. You know what I'm saying? Follow. Hey, we're gonna start promoting our Instagram. So follow our Instagram, man.
Yes, follow our Instagram, y'all.
We're gonna start being serious on that. We haven't mentioned that since last year, January.
We really haven't.
So follow our Instagram, man. All links down below. Follow everything. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get some food. We're gonna vlog for you guys, and yeah, we're gonna keep the camera rolling. You feel me?
Let's keep the camera rolling, so y'all can see how goofy and annoying he is.
Who, me?
Yes, you. But yeah, guys. So right now we finna go get something to eat. He did. Yeah. So we haven't done like a vlog home in a minute.
Yeah, been a while, bro.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do today?
Y'all like vlogs from us or whatever. So guys, as y'all know,
alright, go ahead, man.
I know what you're gonna say.
I mean, cause you said that life vlogs. We don't even post vlogs that much. Yeah, like it.
True. Would y'all want to see vlogs from us? If not, it's cool. We understand. But if y'all do, let us know in the comment section below, so that way we can film some stuff. We don't film if we do vlogs. What we want to do? Just do something. Yeah,
I said fling more everyday lifestyle.
Yeah. So guys. Oh gosh. So guys, as y'all know, I have my own hair company. If y'all didn't know, the link will be in the description below. And also I put like a little video here that I created right here.
What video you created?
The one that showed my website and stuff. Yeah, I put it right here, guys.
You didn't create that?
Yes, I did. I most definitely screen recorded it myself.
Okay.
So yeah, there's some things I want to get for it today if we got time. So it's probably what
So it's gonna be on the vlog too. Get some stuff that for your hair business.
Yeah, we can do that.
Here we go. So we got food. We're gonna find something for our hair business. See the vlog is going on so far.
Got food.
We're in the, you know what I'm saying, we're in the grinding mood today.
Hey, where we going?
We're gonna go Panda.
What Panda?
You said we're going to Panda.
Yes. Why are you going this way?
What you want to go this way? I'm going to. Are you driving?
We ain't never went to Panda.
You was just talking about your business. Focus on business.
Oh Lord Jesus, y'all! I'm finna get a little personal and a little. How he gonna turn from that lane?
Who?
That man. Oh shoot! Oh, look at that G.
Something bad happened here.
Ooh, y'all, we being nosy. Real
Somebody
quick.
got T-boned. Is it?
Oh.
Somebody got missed. Is you turning, bro?
Who?
Oh no, he's not.
Ooh, it's a whole bunch of people out there.
Can you flip the camera?
Can we flip the camera? Yeah, we can't flip the camera to show y'all nothing. Ooh. Look at us being nosy. I'm trying to see what happened. Ooh.
Oh, the airbag and everything.
Damn. Y'all, he hit the water thingy. That truck hit the water.
The water thing gonna stop you, alright?
For real, boy. That smashed like Hancock, that episode, that scene from Hancock when he jumped in front of the train. That's exactly how that water hose looking on that, in that truck. But anyways, like I was about to say, I'm finna get a little TMI or whatever. Sorry if it's shaking, y'all. We kind of got it on like this little car mount thingy-majiggy-mabob or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna get a little TMI.
Let's do some information. What the hell are you finna say? You can stop the camera before you say what are you finna say.
No, cause I mean it's BB Gang. We can talk to BB Gang about stuff.
So what? Alright.
Okay.
Wait, you can't tell me my ears what this is before you say it out loud?
No.
Is it about you or me?
It's about us.
Well, I'm gonna need to know what you're talking about before you say it out loud.
I'm about to tell you.
No, in my ears. I look sexy.
Yeah.
Careful.
Okay, anyway, that's not what I was about to say. So I've been on, social media and the internet and everything lately, and they've been talking about couples being with each other for a while, and it's good to try new things, and it's healthy for the relationship and everything, sexual wise and all that stuff, right?
Oh shit, here we go again.
So me personally, I never
sex life?
Yes. So me personally, I never actually saw myself doing this, but they say if you're comfortable with your spouse and you feel confident enough and it's not like a judgmental place, try it. So I was thinking we can try something crazy and something out of our comfort zone. So I think you should try to eat my butt.
What? I'm not even laughing at you, bro. You joking with it?
No, babe. I'm dead. I'm dead ass. They said it's good.
Ain't no day. I don't give a frick if it's day. Day is not me.
The internet said
the internet is not me. How you gonna get something on the internet then come tell me? That don't make no sense.
Because I read this on
it's
the
not
expert,
no, it ain't no if, because, or nothing. I'm not doing that. No.
I read it on the expert page that they said it's good to try new things and to try it in new.
Babe, that's not happening.
And to try it in new environments.
That's not happening.
So, your windows are tinted?
No, what you saying? It's not that tinted.
But it's tinted enough.
It's tinted enough. But I'm not doing
so, why not try now?
What? You tripping. I'm going to kick your ass out of the car.
Babe, we can literally try it now.
What you? No. We're not doing that. We're not doing this right now. We're not doing this at all. No, we're not doing
We have to be adventurous.
Look, I'm finna pull over and kick your ass out. That's what we're finna do.
We 23 years old with no kids.
How the frick is that gonna get us kids?
I didn't say it would get us kids. I said we're 23 with no kids. We need to be adventurous. We need to try new things.
No. I'm about to pull over right here. No, you tripping.
Well, how am I tripping? Move your head. You gotta focus on the wheel.
You tripping right now. What is he talking about? I'm not doing that shit.
Babe, you need to focus on.
Well, if I tell him about that, go tell him to suck that moon, because we're not doing that. No, we're not doing that right now.
Come on.
Yo, don't move my bumbo clock, because we're not doing that.
I can do it.
Yo, chill. What you not doing? I drive. Bill, man.
Babe, come on.
Let's build. Chill out.
It's to build? You want to build? You want to build it too?
Chill.
You want some bills in it? You want me to throw some bills while I do it?
Turn your camera.
No, babe, we vlogging.
No, we ain't vlogging no more. You don't disrespect me.
How did I disrespect you?
You're talking about you asked me to do something that you know I don't do. Like, that's what the frick is you doing?
Come.
Babe, chill, man. We gotta drive. Me pull over and let it.
Huh?
Stop. I'm not playing. Stop.
Babe,
I'm not playing. Stop foolish.
what foolish?
Stop foolish.
All you gotta do.
Yo, stop.
Babe,
chill out.
keep your hands on the wheel. All you gotta do is do like this.
Down.
This is all you gotta do.
Sit your ass down.
Look, let me show you what you gotta do.
Sit your ass down.
This is what you gotta do.
Babe, we're not doing nothing.
Look.
Babe, we're not doing nothing.
Look.
We're not doing nothing.
All you gotta do like this. Just look at me. This is what you just gotta do, like this. Do like this. Babe, look them. Okay, let me put my seatbelt on, cause the thing ticking. Let me put it on. I'm finna put it on. Let my hands go. Let my hands go.
Yo, babe, stop fooling.
I'm finna put the seatbelt on.
Stop fooling.
I'm finna put the seatbelt on.
Yo, Bill, why y'all always want to run from that? Why we can't just look at the flag? Why you come out saying foolish person? Why we that carry, man? That carry stuff so far.
What?
Huh?
Yo, sit on the man, don't you?
Babe, stop before you hit that truck. Where you going? That ain't where Panda is.
Nah, pull over, cause you think I jerked my neck.
What?
Y'all come on.
Where you going?
Y'all come on.
You would come out.
Cause...
No, you can't go over there, so. Oh yeah, pull at the park.
Stop foolish.
Oh, we can pull up right here too. Ain't nobody over there. What?
You can't stop playing around.
I'm not playing around.
Well, I'm not taking it serious.
Come on, before no cars come.
I'm not doing that. Baby, sit down. Sit down, man. We gotta do sit down.
Babe, before
you can't move. You hear that?
Before the cars come, we could have just did it real quick.
Did what? We're not doing nothing. We're not doing nothing. Get that in the thick skull. We're not doing nothing.
Babe, why are you bobbing and weaving through the road? Alright, cool. Anybody come on. Babe, come on.
Sit down. We're not doing nothing. What the bum buckler do? You know no sense.
You ain't already
I'm fuck request, man. No, Bill. Look at the camera and stop fooling.
What's Bill?
Stop. I'm not playing it. Stop. I'm not playing it.
I'm not playing either. You ain't bite my tongue. I would say you can't go yet. That light is red. I'm not stuck. Okay, well we can do it while you're in the line. Yeah.
Babe, we're not doing it.
Babe, it's not gonna harm you. They said it's good for your digestive system.
We're not entertaining right now.
Huh?
I'm not entertaining your food right now. Oh, that car look nice.
Oh,
that's kind of nice. Babe, can we get back to the vlog? You just wasted it's 12 minutes or something. You just wasted the whole 10 minutes acting so foolish.
I did not waste the whole 12 minutes. Know why?
Like how the video Uncle do the vlog, cause it's a bit foolish.
Babe, it's just a prank.
What was it a prank?
Huh?
What was it a prank?
Cause I wanted to see your reaction or me asking you to eat my booty.
Oh, mama, chill.
Ooh, you almost hit grandma.
That's not a prank, bro. Why would you ask me that question?
It was a prank.
Why would you ask me that question?
Y'all, if the camera went on, he really would have done it.
Wow.
No.
You can't drop me off right here.
Watch it.
Watch your nothing. Watch your nothing.
Watch
Watch your nothing.
Wait till me go over there.
Whatever.
Wait till me go over there. Okay, you think I get punished?
But low-key for you trying to try something new?
Yo, I'm this sir. Stop.
What?
Man, nah, there's nothing new. I'm this sir. Stop asking questions.
Why you don't do nothing new?
Yeah, stop asking
But it's good to try new things though. For
When, yeah, who if I tell you that time, what's up, mama? Stop asking questions. We're not doing nothing.
what? What was it?
We're not doing nothing. Stop asking me that question.
All right, I just had to give it a try, guys. So yeah, that was my prank, guys.
That's not a prank.
It was a prank.
That's not a prank.
It was a prank.
That's not a prank.
It was a prank.
That's the dumbest prank ever.
Why you going to Taco Bell?
I'm going around.
What?
You see, your mind focused on something you not even know me I do.
Whatever.
So you can't find my mind.
But
Me kick you out now?
kick me out.
What? All right, wait. You don't find a parking spot, okay? I think I have me a blood clot, you know, don't find a parking spot.
Anyways, guys, if y'all like my prank, it was just a light.
come on,
It was
come
some
on.
light work.
Take the camera.
Don't be
come on.
mad because I pranked you.
Take the
Don't be
camera.
mad
Take the
because I
camera. Take
pranked
the camera and
you.
come on with the foolishness. That's not a prank. That
was a prank.
You don't do stuff like that. You don't. First of all,
he's
you know
sweating.
I'm not gonna do something like that. So why would you ask me? Why you would ask stuff like that?
Because I want to see your reaction, honey. So yeah, guys, we just pulled up in the line right now. This actually wasn't a vlog, y'all. Y'all know it was a prank because I did my intro in the beginning. So yeah, guys, this is my prank. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and leave some fire emojis down below if y'all think this prank was fire. Hashtag Team Shy Bun. Let's go. 2020, we're going up all the way. I'm not letting off his neck. Put my foot on his neck.
Yo, stop playing, man. Stop playing me. See, the same people that look on you, man. Stop playing this.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Take this thing and better on your face.
My birthday's stanky, boo. Anyway, guys, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Say peace. Say peace.